the window silvered in rain, and your note lies by the land. Same three words in your hand, still warm in my palm. Your chair sits quiet tonight, your coat hangs by the door. I count the ticks on the clock, then I count one more, and I hear that old refrain, soft as a passing train. If you come back through the rain, I'll say your name again. Rain on velvet, come to me. Rain on velvet, set me free. If you're gone, let me dream. Rain on velvet, stay with me. Rain on velvet, rain on velvet. The teacups cooled on the side of the lace cloth by the sill. I keep the fire low for the night that won't stand still. A shoe mark by the front step, a book left half read there. I keep the light on for you in the dark and stare, and I hear that old refrain, soft as a passing train. If you come back through the rain, I'll say your name again. Rain on velvet, come to me. Rain on velvet, set me free. If you're gone, memory. If you're gone, let me dream. Rain on velvet. Stay.